Hello guys, welcome back to this video. So today I'm going to show you the daily cipher for today real quick without wasting my time. So you click on the daily cipher and then we'll scroll down like this. Now the daily cipher for today is alt, right? So it is dot dash, dot, and then you long press and leave dash, which will give you the first letter. And then the next one is dot dash dot dot, which will give you a T, and then I think the last one is a dash, which will give you the T. So the code is cracked. You are a real detective. Take the prize. So I'm done, and I've taken my 1 million coins successfully. Alright. So guys, this is the daily cipher for today. See you in my next one.